Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok stories. So now what to do, the first step is to open the TikTok app on this Android device. So now you will have to move in the inbox where the messages are received and sent. So you will have to open the inbox. So from here in the top you will see the stories. So I will just click it. So this is the iPhone Galaxy story. So from here in the inbox you will just see the all stories from your friends and public. So in the inbox only you will find the stories from the public. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.